A melting pot of German and Scandinavian culture, Wisconsin is known as America's Dairyland. But that's not the only beverage that made it famous. The Badger State is also known across the country for its beer production. Wisconsin thrives in industries like manufacturing, aerospace, engineering, and science. Plus, it's a favorable tax environment for businesses, and it's one of the top states for accessing funding from the Small Business Administration. Looking to start an LLC in Wisconsin? Here's what you need. Step 1. Gather your members. If you're starting your business with other people, gather their full names and addresses for the paperwork you need to complete. Step 2. Pick a name for your business. This shouldn't already be in use by another business in the state. Sorry, Old Milwaukee is already taken. Think outside the six-pack and spark some ideas with Incfile's business name search tool. Step 3. Designate an official street address. Incfile's virtual address service will allow you to receive mail anywhere in the world. Step 4. Name a registered agent. A registered agent will receive important legal documents on behalf of your business. When you file your LLC with Incfile, registered agent service is free for the first year. Step 5. Get your employer identification number or EIN. This ensures you can manage payroll, file taxes, and apply for business loans and bank accounts. Step 6. File your articles of organization with the Wisconsin Secretary of State. We know it sounds like a lot, but Incfile is there to handle the paperwork for you and launch your Dairyland dreams. Get started and file your Wisconsin LLC today for $0 plus state fee.